Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. First things first, guys. Clorox, a trade we made yesterday on yesterday's live video. We made two of them yesterday on yesterday's live video. One of them we locked in yesterday for a profit, and the other one we held open was Clorox. That's currently at 178.68 here in the pre-market hours. We closed yesterday up 39.9%, up $898.45 on that trade. We had small contracts, only 3 contracts, worth about $2,200, $2,100. We're to be locking in that today. I'm going to be looking at around 180 as a target to lock in that Clorox trade. Markets are certainly pulling back here from the highs. They were up over 700 points earlier. Now we're only up about 400 here in the pre-market hours, about 6 minutes until opening bell. So we're going to remain relaxed, calm, patient, disciplined, follow our trade plan, and lock in these profits along the way here and look for some new trade setups today. So that's going to be the key here to today's success. Let me make sure you guys could hear me. Can everyone hear me fine? Everyone see everything fine? It's 9:25 a.m. here on March 17th, 2020. Guys, click that like button, give this a share on social media, and subscribe to our channel. I'd really appreciate that. We had a nice day yesterday. We locked in a profit of around $1,222. Not a big day, but we made some profit on a down day, so really happy about that. Again, we're going to be looking at booking. Still isn't doing much, up $28, 2.2%, $13.18 a share. We're going to be waiting for that next retracement on that as well. So guys, we're probably going to have around a $1,500 to $2,000 profit on Clorox today. And then we're going to be looking here. We got a lot of things coming up on the screen or down below here if you guys want to take a look. A lot of upgrades, downgrades coming in. So let's take a look at that and see what we're going to do there. Thank you, Ari Dresden. Alrighty. So here we go. This is what we're looking at right now. Clorox is up around 2% in the pre-market hours here, up $3.61, all the way up to 178.69 right now. Like I said, I'm going to be looking to take profits on this around 180 a share. Facebook, want to see that hold that 146 area, 145, and start to climb there.
We're reporting Moscow may lock down for quarantine in coming days.
Moscow is going to be locking down in the coming days. That's big news. I don't like people are rushing to go to Moscow, though.
CETX, Chemtrex, receives $2 million in new orders in advanced technology segment. Charlie Echo Tango X-Ray, CETX.
Eric Rancourt, thank you for your help. I appreciate that. You've been a great team member.
BTN, Valentine Strong shareholder announcing program to purchase additional shares. BTN.
Good morning, guys. MB Media, Efrain, Vincenzo, Tim Thomas, Ari Dresden, Mohammed Abdulrakzaka, Riley Berg, Eric Rancourt. Good morning, guys. Nice to have you with us. Clorox at 178.87. Going to have some nice profits on that. Going to lock in profits on that first thing in the morning. And then we're going to be looking for the next trade. I'll change this to a today minute chart for Clorox just so we get ready here. And we'll change it. We'll keep it here for now until we get a little closer to opening bell. 2 minutes until opening bell. Morgan Stanley maintains overweight on Home Depot, lowers price target to $225. Let's take a look at Home Depot. That's one I was thinking about trading here, but that's been hit so hard. Really don't think people are just going to start going to Home Depot and start, remodeling their home just yet. Denny Chow, Manuel Castro, Skyjack, Kevin Johnson, Daz Yu. Good morning, guys. Let's lock in the profits on our Clorox trade in the morning. Matter of fact, I'm going to get that ready right now. Here is the order. 175 strike call, March 27th expo we have. Excuse me, gotta sneeze here a sec. So, like I said, we'll put in an order on this probably at about, let me see. I'll look for 12 at least. That'd be $3,600. That's another $500 profit. Right around there. We'll see what she opens at. Home Depot had a couple of upgrades today, but like I said, I do not think that's going to pop just yet. I think Amazon's a really great trade, Ragu. Here we go, guys. Here's opening bell. Clorox pulled back a little bit here. And wait for that to continue to pop, and we'll be locking in profits on Clorox sometime today. Let's put Diamond over here. We're going to be watching Amazon here as well. We got the first candle above the previous candle's body. Going to be watching that for a day trade on Amazon.
AIH, Aesthetic Medical International Holdings, monitors in response to the outbreak of COVID-19.
Alrighty, so what I think I'm going to do with Amazon here, AMZN. I'll do something probably like the April 17th expo. That's going to be plenty of time. Let's see, we could do the 1770, 1775. We should be able to pick this up for under. So the max gain this could be worth is $5. So $5, we don't want to pay any more than $2.50 for it. Let's see if we could get it for 2.00. That'd be 150% max net gain. Our gold trade is doing extremely well today. Big pop on gold. Our gold trade's almost in the green, actually, and that's the beauty of getting that longer term expiration. You guys remember we were down around 60% on that gold trade, now only down 12%. Alrighty, so let me see here. Let's see if I could get this for $2. That'll be a $2,000 trade.
Into collaboration with Corona, will utilize data from Inovalon's large-scale real-world war
Okay.
registry data set. That's India November Oscar Victor INOV. MTBC Michael Tango Bravo Charlie launches proprietary telemedicine solution.
Still not filling. Let's change that to. I'll change it to 2.5. That's fine with me.
Traders Michael Tango Bravo Charlie. MTBC.
Live, still not filling on that. We could even get up to the 1795, 1800. I think that's pretty fair. Let me cancel this one. Yes, cancel. Alrighty, so this one, let's see if we could get in for $2 on this.
MTBC getting a pop here. $4.53.
Still not filling. I'll go one more higher here. I'll go to 250. That way we have a max net gain of 100%.
ABC shares halted on a circuit breaker following that report.
This is insane. It's still not filling that far out of the money for Amazon. Amazon's at 1764 right now.
President Trump tweeting now, federal government is working very well with governors and state officials. Good things will happen. Kill the virus.
Let's see. Maybe I'll go up to 2.7. That's the top, so I'm going to go on that.
ADIL.
That's still not filling.
ADIL announcing modifications to phase 3 pivotal trial.
Let me see what the regular calls are going for April 17th.
That's Alpha Delta India Lima, ADIL.
That's way too expensive in my opinion to pick up some regular calls.
Company says duration of in-person visits being reduced through removal of non-essential assessments. CPIX, Cal-Delor demonstrates favorable safety profile in newborns. That's Charlie Papa India X-ray, CPIX.
We're up 20% on our Clorox trade. I'm going to hold on to that for right now. We could lock in the profit that we have on it. You know what? I'm probably am. The Amazon trade just got filled there, guys. The 1795, 1800, that's filled. I'm going to lock in the profits on let's see if I could sell it for $9.50. Alrighty, guys. I just closed the Clorox trade. Small profit on Clorox. Let's see. E-Trade Pro's taking a little bit here to pick up. We just got filled on the Amazon spread, though. I like that trade. I think that's a really good trade for the April 17th Expo. So let me go on the site and send that out as an alert here. I'm going to be sending out that alert for the Amazon trade now.
VXRT, Vaxart shares spiking here. Victor X-ray Romeo Tango. $1.46, 25% now for Vaxart. S&P futures down 3 now. The Dow futures down 41.
Markets are continuing to pull back here, guys, so I wouldn't be going long on anything major just yet. Got in the Amazon trade for the April 17th Expo. I like that. I'm going to be holding on to that. Gold trades up $750. So guys, with Amazon, this is what I'm going to be looking for here. That's our consolidation box. And we're going to be looking, obviously this is BDM. Let me chart this for you. Where do I want to put that? Oops. So from now until April monthly, I expect this to remain within this consolidation box and look for a climb here. So we're going to have max net gain above 1800. So we'll put that.
mRNA, Moderna shares getting a pop here, 30.24, 14% now. Moderna hit a high earlier, 32.36 in the pre-market mRNA. Report now that Brazil has reporting its first death due to the coronavirus.
Brazil reporting its first death. Actually, what I can do, I think, would be really nice is doing, let's see here. Wish there's a way I could put this right under there. Oh, look at Clorox go now. 182.26. Unbelievable. I think that looks great. Now we could also even do this further. There we go. Now, how does that look for you guys? We could be sending out all of our alerts like this.
RRC range resources popping here. Romeo Charlie, $3.14.
Alrighty, let me see how this looks. Look at Clorox go, 185. Unbelievable.
Coming up in about 10 minutes at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Jolt's job openings for January. The consensus is 6.476 million. Also in business inventories month over month for January, minus 0.1% is the consensus.
Let's see. Alrighty, let's preview this. Alrighty, guys, we're going to send this out now as an alert. I'm putting in the entry price that I got.
VXRT, Vaxart shares getting us back here to the high, $1.70 now on VXRT, Victor X-Ray Romeo Tango.
Alrighty, that looks good. That looks good. Let's just double check everything here.
IFMK, iFresh, popping to the highs now. India Foxtrot, Michael Kilo.
Alrighty, this is getting published right now.
Company earlier announcing the acquisition of 70% interest in Shaman Biomedical Technology. That's IFMK. Shares hitting a high of $1.80, up about 42% now for IFMK. APRN, Blue Apron getting a pop here. Alpha Papa Romeo November. On heavy volume now for Blue Apron, shares up about 93% now on APRN. Alpha Papa Romeo November. Trump administration will seek $50 billion for airlines and $250 billion for small business loans as part of emergency stimulus. That according to an official.
Alrighty, did you guys get the alert? Alrighty, so here is the alert for you guys.
SPWH, Sportsman's Warehouse, getting a pop to the highs, 543. SPWH, announcing it's acquiring two field.
Here you guys go. I just posted it on the website, so if you guys are a member of BreakingChartAlerts.com, you could go to Trade Alerts. You could click on this, and it'll show you the details of the trade and everything we got going on there.
London Stock Exchange says no plans to suspend trading due to market volatility. Says it supports
Let me send out
to support companies. From the London Stock Exchange.
Alright, that only took, what, about 15 minutes to get sent out? Look at Clorox go, 186. Unbelievable. What did I sell Clorox at? Now I'm going to get really angry today. I had the March 27th at 175, right? Oh, man. The 175 is now at, oh, my God, almost at 16. I missed out on an extra about $1,500 on that. Oh, well, we're going to get him with the Amazon trade. Amazon's still pulling back here, though. But here's our consolidation box for Amazon. That's what we're looking for. Look at Diamond continuing to head lower here. Take a look at the Diamond ETF. That looks like that's going to be heading much lower here. Dow's falling below 20,000 shortly. Where is the candle from yesterday on Clorox? You guys got better pricing than me on the Amazon trade. Matthew, the alert definitely went out. Matthew Jones. Look at Clorox go. Unbelievable. Nah, we locked in a profit, right? Guys, the alert went out on the app as well. Nice. We got new notifications from the app.
Business Insider reporting that Amazon is suspending all shipments other than medical supplies and household.
Wow, guys, Amazon suspending all shipments.
Situation. That's coming from Business Insider. That needs to be confirmed about Amazon.
Wow, guys, Amazon just announced they're suspending all shipments except for food and supplies needed for COVID-19.
$6.963 million on JOLTS job openings versus the consensus of $6.476 million. Business inventories negative 0.1% versus negative 0.1% forecast on business inventories.
You guys know Amazon's going to fall from that news, right? But we do have the April 17th Expo, holding on to that for now. Look at Clorox go, 187. This thing is going to hit $200 a share. There's no question in my mind about it. Should re-enter into another trade on Clorox for the April 17th Expo. Amazon still pulling back on that news. Gonna watch that on the Diamond ETF closely here. Want to see if Dow's going to hold that 20,000 mark. Dow's at 19,962 now. Let's see if I could pick up this SPY for tomorrow's expo. See, I don't want to go too crazy here buying some more puts. Right now the account is at the booking trade is really making me some great profits today. Here's booking. Here's the Amazon trade right here. Here's the gold trade. Still up nicely for the day. Just want that Amazon trade to start going our way now. I think that should hold 1,700. Want to look at possibly, let's see what else we got here. APC. BABA's starting to climb here as China's starting to turn around from the virus. I wouldn't go long any Chinese stocks just yet, though. No way. Cisco getting a little pop there, up 0.3%. FXI. Facebook down to 140. Johnson & Johnson's getting a pop. Let's take a look at J&J. That's not looking too bad here.
Amazon, AMZN, an update on that report. Amazon told its sellers in an email that it will only accept shipments of household staples, medical supplies, and other high-demand products to its warehouse until April 5th to deal with the high demand for those products. That's AMZN.
Want to get that Amazon info there. All right, Amazon's popping on that news. Alrighty, let me get on the live stream here, see if anyone's got any questions. Alrighty, guys, I am on the live YouTube chat right now. Let me scroll up here, see what you guys are saying. Amazon's getting a nice pop there. Thank God that was false information. Very nicely done. Booking still at $1,264. Very pleased with that. Like to see that below $1,200 by Friday. Dow's holding that 20,000 area right now. Let's see. Riley Berg says, today could be a big green day. When Trump talks, the market goes green. I think they're not so much worried about what he has to say anymore. They're more worried about the COVID-19 coronavirus. Kelly Lupo and MB Media says, mRNA, Moderna's going higher. House Flips and Investing today says, good morning, good morning. Bob Logan says, that looks great, clear as well. Last Stand says, bye-bye American Pie. Don't know what that means. Eric Aguri says, is Boeing going bankrupt? I think Boeing's in some really tough times over the next few. Look at that pop on Amazon here. Nice job, guys. Our Amazon trade is now in the green. Nicely done. Let's see, booking 1293. Want that to start dropping here. Ragu says RCL, Royal Caribbean Cruises, is going down, down, down. Let's see, RCL. Wow, $28. You guys remember, we were trading this back when it was in the 60s. I wish I held on to those puts. That's going to be one heck of a trade, though, once we start to rebound. No question about it. I mean, the cruise lines are hurting really bad right now, but once we see that turnaround, this is going to be one of the first ones we start trading, guys. Let's see now. Going back here, Eric said about Boeing. Let me take a look at Boeing quick, see what that stock's doing. 116. I think this is going much lower. Boeing's going to be hurting. Not only do they have the 737 MAX crisis, but they also now have the airlines which are hurting and are going to be canceling orders or deferring those orders for a later date. So Boeing is going to be hit really tough with this two punches that they've just had. Let's see here. Wondering Watermelon says, hi everyone, I don't trust Trump. He's telling lies. He does like to lie sometimes, but Bob Logan said he just got the alert on the app before. 5-minute delay. Of course, when we send something out on the app, there's going to be a little delay. So if you want, you become a professional trader member and you get everything live. Bob Logan says BA to 75 soon. That's when I'll buy 1,000 shares. Ragu says Boeing has a major cash problem. They're looking for a bailout and they might get it. Of course, Boeing's going to get it. You know, they're going to get that bailout. There's no question about that. Now let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon's having a nice little climb here. I might be adding to that Amazon trade soon. 1753. Looking good. Guys, give the video a thumbs up and a like. We only got 38 likes, 105 viewers here, and we should have many more likes than that. McConnell says Congress must also seek to support medical professionals, conversations on legislation making progress. The Senate will not adjourn until it passes measures that go beyond House economic relief. What's Clorox doing now? Oh my God, 190 on Clorox. Unbelievable. See, the 175 is now going for 18 bucks. That's almost $2,000 profit I missed out on. BKNG still at 1276. Very happy with that. Amazon trade's doing well. Our gold trade's doing well. Now we just got to see Facebook start to climb there, which I might be adding down 56% on the Facebook trade. We picked up the April 17th 165 strike calls. Excuse me. Look at Clorox go 191. This thing is going to hit 200 bucks. There's no question or doubt about that. Let me see if I could pick something up here. Pick up 5 contracts. I'll wait for the pullback. Look at that, 192 now. Unbelievable, up 10% almost. Yeah, that's going to be an expensive trade there, $2,000 on that big pop there. I'd rather wait a little bit. See if I could get it for 10. Nope, that's not filling for 10. I'll cancel it. Look at that climb, though, on Clorox on a today 1 minute chart. Unbelievable. Nice climb on Clorox here. Holding above that 10 SMA. Breakout momentum cycle, breakout momentum phase. Continuing to hold above that yellow 10-day simple moving average as it continues higher. Adobe, Oppenheimer maintains outperform on Adobe. Raised his target to 410. Let's take a look at Adobe. I don't think people are going to be playing around with computers too much here during this, but see, I wouldn't buy into this just yet. Still in BDM, getting up to that 10, failing. So even though that was upgraded, I'll keep this on my watch list now, and I'll keep an eye on it. And then once we get a candle, let's say above 300, I might be a buyer. But for right now, still not buying. Clorox, new highs again. There she goes, breaking 192.23 and climbing. I'm only having a small day today. I am only up about, let me see here. So I'm up $793 unrealized, plus, I mean, this is pretty pitiful if you ask me. Should be up much more than this, but $596.83 realized. There goes Clorox again, 194 and climbing. Unbelievable. Nice climb there. 193.74. Clorox going for 195. Unbelievable, guys. Any one of you are still holding on to the Clorox trade? Look at Clorox go, 196. That's going to hit $200 today. No question in my mind about it. She's up over 12% today. me see what you guys are talking about with the trade room. Amazon getting a nice little pop there. Looking good. And the most beautiful thing here is booking is still heading lower. So, with booking dropping, gold is climbing, our Amazon trade's doing pretty well. Here's what we're at now. We're up $4,111.34 unrealized, and we have a realized gain of $596.83. Now this is fluctuating back and forth here as, you know, the markets climb, drop, but like, for example, here it is now up $3,026.34. So we're going to keep getting fluctuations like that as we go. Oh, what did I just do there? But we're in the green, we're picking the right directions, and we're certainly profiting from it. Oppenheimer maintains outperform on workday, lowers price target at 165. DGX, new 52-week low, 83.17. SPY, New York Governor Cuomo, giving mid-morning update discussing ramping of testing, containment in the tri-state area, including restaurants, bars, gyms, schools. There it goes, guys. There goes Clorox, $200 a share. Wow. Wish I held that this morning. I'd literally be up over 3,000 more today. Locked in a profit, but like I said, it's hurtful when you could make an extra few thousand and you missed it. Amazon's getting a nice pop there. I love what it's looking like. Guys, you guys have any questions? Let me go over to the live YouTube here, see if you guys have any questions. Get carried away. I started looking at it. I told you guys Clorox was going to $200 possibly today, earlier on. Tim Thomas said he bought Clorox April 17th, 190 strike at 1270 this morning. Great job on that, Tim. Shaky Head says, I saw a post about Amazon suspending shipments. Now I don't see it. Did I miss something? Yes, they came on, corrected that news, and said they're not accepting any more incoming orders from their vendors or sellers. Abdullah says, what are you typing? I'm in the trade room, guys. So if you guys want to come join me, We are in the trade room each day right here. We are right here daily, guys. So if you guys want to come join us, breakingchartalerts.com. In the afternoon, we're live right here. And when you hear me typing, I'm usually either typing in here, or if members message me and ask me a private question, I'll also answer there as well. So Amazon getting a nice pop here, guys. Amazon trade's already up $1,000. Love the looks of that. Guys, please give the video a thumbs up. We're doing great trades here, locking in some profits. Only 54 likes, 106 viewers. Please give this a thumbs up, share it on social media, and subscribe to our channel to get notifications.
Coming up at 11 a.m., the NHB Housing Market Index for March, 73, the consensus.
Kevin Hill Farm says, profit is profit. Bird in the hand, as they say. Yeah, I guess you're right there, Kevin. Just wish I made a little bit more on that Clorox trade. No problem, shaky head. Oh, just watching the markets here now. Dow's not doing too much yet, pretty flat. Take a look at the Dow here, Diamond ETF. It's only up 29 cents for the day. Dow's up 45 points.
33.82, up 9%.
I honestly think Amazon's going to be getting a nice pop over the next few days here. I'd love to pick up some regular calls on Amazon, but look at how expensive they are with the IV. I'd even love to pick up the March 20th Expo, but I mean, look at the pricing on these. That's literally going to cost you $5,600 just for a single contract. So stay away from that for right now. Once we do start to get that crossover, once we see that MACD starting to cross, which is starting to flatten out right now, once that MACD starts to flatten out and we get that cross, that white crossing above that red, that's when we're going to be looking to buy and go long. Amazon now at 1771, almost near the highs of the day. Amazon trade's doing incredibly well. Incredibly well. Bookings at $12.70 a share, down 1.5%, down 20 bucks. Looking good with booking.
WMT, Walmart at the highs, 117.33. Whiskey Michael Tango, up about 10% now on Walmart. MDLA, Medallia, Prescience Point out with a report. Says we believe the fair value is 35% below current levels. That's MDLA, Michael Delta Lima Alpha. TPR, Tapestry stores will be closed through March 27th. That's Tango Papa Romeo.
Look at Amazon Go near the highs of the day. I think this is going to have a big breakout tomorrow, guys. Here's the consolidation box. Remember what I told you guys about the consolidation box? Guys, still only 58 likes and 108 viewers. Please give this a thumbs up here. Otherwise, we'll shut it down early. Let's see here. Davey Devlin said he just got off his Peloton bike. They're doing 90-day free trials on their app. Watch gyms. With gyms closed, I bet they continue higher. You don't need the bike or treadmill to get workouts. Put it on the watch list. Not a fan of Peloton.
A pop here, $28 now, $29 on crude.
Davey said he was on his Peloton. He couldn't close out the Clorox trade this morning, and he's closing it out now for a much larger profit. Guys, here we go. Futures are popping. We're getting a climb.
About 21 now.
I'm going to look to close out booking.
Shares of Clorox off the highs now, hitting $200, $200.80 at the high on Clorox. Currently up about 13.5% now. CLX, Charlie Lima X-ray. GLBS, Globus Maritime shares getting another big spike here, about 70 cents now, up to 89% on GLBS. Seeing some heavy, more heavy buying coming in now on
See,
GLBS.
order status, live, change. See if I could get 250. Does not want to close out that booking trade. $250 is lowest I'm going to go on that. Booking still dropping. Bookings at $1277.95. I'll keep that where it's at. Does not want to close. Dow is down $3, not much. I'm going to keep that open now. I'm not going any lower than that. Dow is down about 30 points right now.
I'm talking about temporary construction, medical facilities due to the coronavirus outbreak.
Dave Pace says he would like the video more than once if he could. I appreciate that. We got 111 viewers, so if you guys could please hit that like button, subscribe to us here on YouTube, and share us on social media. I'd really appreciate that.
With the infections reaching a peak in about 45 days.
Yeah, Kevin, really tough to get out of that booking trade. Need to see another big drop here. It's down to 1274 right now.
Another says 10,000 people tested in New York State.
10,000 people tested in New York State for the coronavirus.
Cuomo says
Market's pretty flat. I'm waiting for some news.
New York State currently has 1,374 cases with 12 deaths. That's in New York State.
I definitely don't see booking getting a pop.
Cases worldwide now 183,425. Total deaths 7,167.
I'd like to see that between 1,100 and 1,200 by Friday.
Cuomo now announcing a second drive-through testing facility in Nassau County now. Second one in New York.
Second drive-through testing facility now.
Letter F, Ford suspending production in its plants in Cologne.
Ford is suspending production.
Due to coronavirus cases that according to sources reported by Reuters now. Letter F, Ford.
Booking continues to drop. Like the look of that. Now see the one nice thing here if you're looking at the today 1 minute chart on booking. Notice this high right here. Got up to around resistance at 1300 and we retraced. And then we got up to 1290 which failed to break the previous breakout's resistance or high of that breakout. And now we're heading lower again. Now we're going to be looking for the first candle below that 50 and blue 20 SMA, and then confirmation red candle after that for continued BDM, and we'd be looking at 1260 as the next support area. And then down to 1250 as the second support area of the day. So just keep an eye on that.
CLX is up 21.5% now after their earnings report. After the
Amazon's still looking great.
Multiple price target raises on CLUP, hitting a high of 133.86.
They said Ford is breaking down rapidly here. Let's see.
Now, CLUP.
Ford down to $4.73 and dropping, down 5.49% today. Unbelievable. $4 stock. I told one of our members, Jay, that was coming over here, that I felt Ford was going to be going bankrupt in the next few years, and I think I might be dead on. Of course, these charts on E-Trade Pro now aren't working that well.
Sky News reporting coronavirus cases in the UK now at 1,950 on Tuesday from 1,543 on Monday.
Wow, 500 new cases in the UK from yesterday. Alrighty, Governor Cuomo from New York is on. AMD call sweeps coming in. Let's take a look at AMD. I want to be a buyer of AMD just yet. No way. Gilead is heading higher, says Ragu in the trade room. Gilead looks nice, guys. Bounced off that 50 SMA. This should easily get back up to $77.50 to $80 in the, within the next week or two, in my opinion. Bookings breaking down again. I like the looks of that. Paul said his government over in the UK just said they'd be happy if deaths are below 20,000.
Spain Prime Minister Sanchez announcing $200 billion Euro aid package.
This chart is not working there.
Coronavirus impact.
Bring this one over.
Fed says will establish commercial paper funding facility to support flow of credit to households and businesses. will provide liquidity backstop to commercial
Ulta's
paper market
continuing to drop. Look at Ulta
purpose
drop.
vehicle purchasing unsecured and asset-backed commercial paper rated as A1, P1 as of March 17th, directly from eligible companies. Program established with approval of U.S. Treasury Secretary under Fed's Section 13.3 powers. Fed says commercial paper market under considerable strain in recent days due to coronavirus outbreak. Fed says facilities should eliminate risks to the market and improve the ability of companies to maintain employment and investment through the outbreak. Treasury to provide $10 billion of credit protection to the Fed in connection with the facility from the Treasury's Exchange Stabilization Fund. Transactions to be executed via primary dealers through the New York Fed. Seeing a little pop in the futures now on those new headlines.
Futures getting a pop off those headlines. Go back to Amazon and let's see. Amazon's near the highs of the day. I really think the looks of this chart here is telling me Amazon is going to be heading higher. There's no question in my mind about it that I really think we're going to be heading higher on with Amazon. I think we're going to break through that very easily. There we go. There's Amazon at the highs of the day now, guys.
Treasury's Mnuchin says sent Fed's Powell letter to establish commercial paper funding facility for business. Senate Democratic leader Schumer urges Senate to pass coronavirus relief bill on Tuesday for Trump to sign into law.
Andy says, why is Regeneron up almost $60 today?
Mnuchin says commercial paper facility will provide short-term credit to help American businesses manage finances and coronavirus amid the coronavirus outbreak.
We still have the gold trade we have. That's almost in the green now. Did you guys hold the gold trade?
June 18th, 2021, new cigarette health warnings will be required to appear prominently on cigarette packages and in advertisements. Feature text statements with photorealistic images depicting some of lesser known but serious health risks of cigarette smoking.
I'm still in the gold trade. That's the beauty of options. You know, we were literally down 60% on that gold trade. Now we're in the green. Really thinking about adding to that Amazon trade. Guys, this is all messed up here on eTrade Pro. I cannot pull up any charts here, as you guys could see. Trying to pull up gold. I'll try to pull up Facebook. Nothing comes up. Even over here, I type in, let's say, Microsoft. Nothing comes up. That's the problem with eTrade Pro here. You know, you got to keep closing it, opening it up again. Booking staying lower, so I'm happy with that. Booking is currently at $12.76 a share. $12.75 now. Continuing to drop like that. Our Amazon trade's doing great. Our gold trade's in the green. We are doing phenomenal, guys. All of our booking trades are in the green. Our Amazon call spread is in the green. Our gold trade is in the green. The only one that's down right now is the Facebook April 17th 165 strike. That's getting a little pop from the lows here, so we'll be looking at adding to that. But for right now, it's 5 minutes before we close. I gotta close this down because I can't pull up any charts here, so might as well just end the video now. If you guys want to come join us, you guys could go to www.breakingchartalerts.com. You could sign up for the Pro Trader, and as you guys could see, trading live 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. right here. Pro Trader members only. Click in the tab in the menu right here. So live trading video and classes, you'll click that up here at 2 p.m. and we'll be live. Our trade challenge is going to be starting April 1st. So if you guys aren't in the trade alerts tab, if you guys click on this right here, you'll see here's the alert from this morning. It'll give the chart, and it gives all the information that you guys need. Here's the order that was filled. There's the Clorox trade that was closed as well. And then here's the chart for Amazon, target, stop, and everything you guys need. And if you have questions, you could comment on it as well, and we'll get back to you. You could comment down here, And it's a nice job today, guys. Really great job. So if you guys want to come join us in the live trade room or live trading video, just come join us, www.breakingchartalerts.com. And here's our schedule, 9:30 to 11, live on YouTube. 11 to 2, that's when I'm doing things on the website, sending out alerts, planning, doing trading and training. And then 2 to 4, we are live on breakingchartalerts.com for the Pro Trader memberships only. And then 4 to 4:30, we give a market recap in the trade room here. Great job today, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys aren't a member yet, come here, join us. And then once you join us for the Pro Traders, right up here, you can see the iOS app. iOS and Android app, you could click on those. And you could download that app for free once you become a member. And this is what the alerts look like right on your cell phone. And it looks great. We have great 5-star review. Come join us, guys. I'm sure you guys are going to love our service. And we'll see you guys in the live trade room. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you live at 2 p.m. I'll be in the live trade room for now. So if you guys have any questions, please go in there. And happy to help. Alrighty, guys. Take care. God bless. And I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you guys at 2 p.m. and in the live trade room. No, Susan listener, you are not too late for the Amazon spread. Message me in the live trade room, and I'll talk to you about it. Take care, guys, and God bless. See you shortly.